Zach, you're a tech-savvy dude. Do you know if we can use the internet to help send this letter to my dad?
It's so simple, Mark. All you need to do is use electronic mail or email. What we've got to do is scan it, upload it, click attach, and we're off.
Wow, email. I think that's pretty cool, Zach. But let me ask you something. What do you think of this?
Wow. That's pretty good, Mark. That's really impressive. But Mark, I've got a question for you.
Okay.
What do you think of this?
Not bad. Not bad. That's not bad, Zach. But let me ask you, what do you think of this?
Holy shit!
Yeah.
That was impressive.
Am I right or am I right?
But Mark,
Yeah?
here's my question for you.
Okay.
What do you think of this?
That was great. If I could be honest for a second, that was great.
It was pretty good. You know what? It was spectacular.
But Zach, let me ask you, what do you think of this?
Mark,
Yeah.
strong. But I've got a question for you.
Shoot.
What do you think? Red gum, single piece.
Yeah, that's pretty good. What else you got? What do you think of this?
Is that a dead bird?
Yeah. Those are all fantastic. I've got an idea. Let's show Broden.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think it's Broden's sort of thing.
No, come on, give him a chance. He'll love it.
My ears are burning.
Broden!
What are you doing? Looks like you're surfing the web, are you?
Broden, settle a bet for us. Zach and I have been goofing around, and Zach thinks you won't like it.
Come on, boys. I'm not some bloody prude. Give us a look.
Are you sure, Broden? It's pretty out there.
But of course, come on.
All right, Broden, picture this. What do you think of this?
Come here! You son of a bitch!
Broden, chill!
Mark! Why?
Calm down, it was just a joke!
No,
Calm down!
All right.
Calm down!
All right. I'm calm. I'm calm. What the fuck were you thinking, Mark?
I don't know.
To think I would like that. I would never like that, Mark. I would never like that.
Okay. I made a mistake. It won't happen again.
Good. Good. I mean, if anything, I'd probably like something a bit more like this.